Have you ever noticed your gums bleeding while brushing your teeth? This could be an early sign of gingivitis. If left untreated, it can progress to periodontitis, a serious condition that may even lead to tooth loss. But here's some good news. The secret to healthier teeth and gums might be hiding in your spice cabinet. Forget expensive mouthwashes. Turmeric could fight gum disease, bad breath, and even protect your heart. Let's uncover how. Oral health isn't just about having a bright smile. It's closely linked to your overall well-being, especially your heart health. When gum infections worsen, harmful bacteria and inflammatory proteins can enter your bloodstream, putting strain on your cardiovascular system. That's why taking care of your mouth is so crucial. Enter turmeric, the golden spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its active compound, curcumin, has been proven to fight Porphyromonas gingivalis, the main bacteria responsible for gum disease. But that's not all. Turmeric's powerful antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties help your oral health in multiple ways. First, it reduces gum bleeding and swelling, which are common symptoms of gingivitis. If you've ever seen your toothbrush tinged with pink after brushing, turmeric might be the natural solution you've been looking for. It also helps prevent plaque buildup, keeping your teeth cleaner and healthier between dental visits. But turmeric doesn't stop there. It fights the bacteria that cause cavities, helping to protect your teeth from decay. And here's something you might not expect. Turmeric can even lower the risk of conditions connected to gum disease, like rheumatoid arthritis. In fact, a Greek study found turmeric effective in fighting both periodontitis and rheumatoid arthritis, two conditions linked by chronic inflammation. So, how can you harness the power of turmeric for your oral health? Let's explore some simple at-home recipes you can try. First up is turmeric toothpaste. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Brush gently for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Don't worry if it temporarily stains your toothbrush. It won't stain your teeth. For a refreshing turmeric mouth rinse, add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of salt to a cup of warm water. Swish for 30 seconds to fight bacteria and freshen your breath. It's a natural way to keep your mouth feeling clean throughout the day. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try a turmeric whitening mask. Make a paste with turmeric and baking soda. Apply it to your teeth for 2 minutes, then rinse. But be cautious. This should only be done occasionally, as overuse of baking soda may wear down your enamel. Now, you might be wondering, would you actually try brushing your teeth with turmeric? Or does that sound too weird? It's certainly a departure from minty fresh toothpaste, but the potential benefits are hard to ignore. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that while turmeric is generally safe, it can stain fabrics and surfaces. And if you have serious dental issues, always consult a dentist before relying on home remedies. Your oral health is too important to take chances with. Remember, gum disease doesn't just harm your smile. The bacteria from infected gums can travel into your bloodstream and affect your heart. That's why taking care of your oral health is so crucial. Turmeric offers a natural, affordable way to support your dental hygiene routine and protect your overall health. If you found this information helpful, why not give it a try? Incorporate turmeric into your oral care routine and see the difference it can make. And do keep this golden secret to yourself? Share this video with a friend who loves natural remedies. Together, we can spread the word about the amazing benefits of turmeric for oral health. So, are you ready to add a little spice to your dental care? Give turmeric a chance, and you might just discover a whole new reason to smile. Your teeth, gums, and even your heart will thank you for it. Here's to healthier smiles and happier hearts, naturally.